as my husband always says, what's up everybody? Today we're here to unbox a new pair of shoes I just got. It's the Jordan 1 women's silver toe. I generally am not a big sneaker person, or I wasn't previously. I'm more into shoes and bags, but my husband has gotten really into shoes lately and I've gotten the bug too. So some of the shoes I have so far are these red satin Jordan 1s. I'm a size 6. And also a pair of the blue and red size 6 Jordan 1s. Blue and red are my favorite colors, so I loved this pair. I also have a couple of shoes that are the kid size, which are size 4.5. And we can talk about differences between women's and shoes in another video. But I'm super excited to open these since apparently these silver toes are supposed to be based on space, which I love. I used to always work on NASA projects, so for example, I have this awesome helmet. It's a NASA helmet for motorcycling. I'm really excited to open this. So I caught this on StockX, which is actually pretty rare for me since I tend to not. What?
You said StockX.
Yeah.
You didn't get this on StockX.
Yes, I did. Not StockX, I'm sorry, on sneakers. I tend to not actually win on sneakers very often, but for some reason, for the past couple drops, I've actually been winning. So let's see how these look like. So these are the women's size 6. Ooh. These are super cute.
That's a good looking shoe.
It's a nice shoe. I like the silver metallic. And also glittery metallic laces, which are awesome for a girl who loves glitter. These tags are pretty, this tag's pretty cool too. What do you think?
I like them. They're actually a lot better than I was expecting initially. I know you weren't sure about going for these, but these are super, super cool.
I think it even matches this outfit pretty well.
And?
Uh-oh.
This is gonna be ridiculous if this matches this.
What? Oh yeah, my Gucci bag. Is it the perfect shade?
That looks like a dead ringer. Holy cow.
So I like these. I'm definitely gonna keep these, I think. What do you think?
Yeah. But will you wear them?
I don't know, man. I haven't worn the other two yet, but maybe I'll wear these.
I think you should.
I like them. I think they're well made. And they'll probably look good with a lot of my clothes. So, that's my quick unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you at the next one.
Bye.